How to fix Instagram story quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story quality on Android phone. First, on Android or iOS, now just open Play Store or App Store, and here you will find Instagram. Now just make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found your update, just click on it. Now let's move to the next step. If that doesn't fix your problem, restart your phone and open Instagram. Now just click these three lines here and then click settings. Now click account and then click cellular data use, and here make sure data saver is disabled. You will find it like that. Click disable, or you can just make it like that and select cellular and Wi-Fi, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.